맛이 당근데 상황을 쉬사다. 다양한 쉬비입니다. Mindfulness lemjusane kashre benchi. Pena ngasuji di kashre di pena negative emotion rishon be kadolia ngasu samlia hope de kalia kashre ji. Chilogi kashre ji conditions cause conditions tizulea tenche luburdo controlan samsor chores. Yimbina ngasu mindfulness chevimina mane chevimina ane kholi yimbina kashre today emotional chunga de hope de kala chungbo mayimba le different kashre ko step by step chungbo yimba nga cha khwares ni just de ma chung khon ya ngasu samle nalo le kashre da ji khares launta notice 또 좀 더 걸었어. 인두산디 군세되는 셈리아 처지차르지 고급을지 오니가래. 안 인두산디 군세되는 mindfulness 하디 가스레. 나주지 가스레다. 나주 outside environment, clean environment, protect outside environment 제거나시 아주 낭심기 environment에 protect 제거하들이야. Tilia and mindfulness that is like it something or some those.
When we talk about mindfulness, then normally what we think about with mindfulness is that there's some situation where a big negative emotion all of a sudden happens, and at that moment we think, okay, amidst all of these external conditions, now we need to be mindful. But actually, mindfulness isn't really like that. It's not something that you do when all of those big emotions in that big situation happens all of a sudden, because it's hard to do.
That's okay. Continue that.
It's actually something that it's not just something that we need to do at that point. Beforehand, we need to actually be careful and notice what is happening within our minds. It means we have to prepare our minds. And so for that reason, when we think about mindfulness, it's like we need to protect the outside environment and make sure that the environment is clean and not polluted, and we need to take care of it. In the same way, we need to take care of the internal environment of our minds, and the way we do that is through mindfulness.
Mindfulness is social assembly negative condition badang antana sin nizu karcho yobdang ke chishu de karasana ngazu ji sem nalolia ane kashre ji gewe number doba kaji yung yobdang migi number doba kaji yung yobdang di zue ni indusane da digi hako kwa di kashre ji emotional chungbe kabla hako zong du masebe nam gyune nga ji hako wa di chike chim shiraji chari or di nana ke ji mindfulness ade be the present somewhere di ke chim shiraji but nga zu yimen nga lega che busy che in the end of the day I do something do sane when they really do something did something do sane mi se lega di che sambar me abji 창으로 제체되지 믹스에 오늘전에 tasted somewhere and 다는시 오늘전에 초아에 되버게 제 모두 비서지 제가 mindfulness 그냥 캐주얼 찍하라서나 be the present somewhere that taste the nerve입니다 때마다 같이 하스김도 어떻게
So mindfulness is that we need to know what's happening in our minds. We need to understand what is the situation in our minds, and most importantly, we need to know do we have virtuous thoughts in our minds, or do we have unvirtuous thoughts in our minds? And so it's not just something that we do when we have a sudden emotional situation. It's something that we need to always just continually notice what is happening in our mind. And so for this reason that we can say that being mindful is being in the present moment. So normally we spend all day long doing things, working and doing things. And then when we come to the end of the day, we often have a situation where we don't really know what we've actually done in that day. We don't feel like we've done anything. We don't feel like we've tasted the flavor of anything that we have done. And so that is because we haven't been in the present moment. So the feature of mindfulness is that we're being in the present moment and able to experience and taste it.
I have a question for artists and writers. What is your advice or suggestions for how to keep the creative spirit alive?
Creative space and a creative
Live. Wow. Come here. Again. Yeah. Maybe go back to home. No. Okay. Okay. Create life. Pero ngarang penaji samso remove jigare. Jiduzdane sonar karyongorosan pena ngal ruchimina umayne kashwadaji. Lots of dreams, lots of ideas, lots of plans. The imine always the kashwadaji obstacles and restrictions. Mabashiyone Hindustane, they're stuck there. The Hindustane, Jumutiadigi, so Semnal Yebeji, Kashwadaji, Tipa, Tiat Liang as a Bezichigore, been a create Chechi, Sueshana, and Lapsan, Koran Kashwe Pige. Make it hard, which he down, but from there retire in San, take assembly out the Kashweji release which on touch. And then you stand Bena Teda Nyam do Bena mindfulness the Devastai or song do Bena Koran Jumuti the Nyam do Susu Semte Binyang Nyam do Chikarjure Teda Jimu Tisab the Nyam do Susu Semte Binya more colorful somewhere more Kashwataji Kashwan Zidu Demar Chatwaji. You stand Kadu Binya the present you have cheche. The Jotonologies Jimuda Semtini Binya and the G Kashwe. Yam the Rotu, someone that duty.
I often draw and paint, and when I do so, the feeling I have is that I have a lot of hopes, I have a lot of dreams and a lot of plans, but often there are obstacles and things that get in the way, difficulties. And so because of that, when I draw or when I paint, the feeling that I have in my mind is that I'm trying to do something. I'm putting effort into creating something, and then when I'm done, I feel like there's something I can see with my eyes. There's a result that I can show for it. And this gives me some sort of a relief, in a mental relief. And I think that when we are talking about drawing, this is actually really connected with mindfulness, because as we are drawing, then our minds, have to go along with what we're drawing. So the mind, and when the mind and the drawing are going along together, then our minds also become more colorful. Our minds also have more beauty, and so I feel like this brings some peace. And so in this way, I feel like our minds and the drawings need to go together.
I have a question. I think it's more difficult to detach from the beauty of the world. What would be your advice? I think we all know the necessity of detaching ourselves from negative things.
Yeah.
But I think it's also important that we detach from the things that we love
Yeah.
and the beautiful things. So what would
Yeah.
be your best advice for that?
아주 남겨 가서 detachment, non-attachment 들이야 개발 지가 왔다. detachment 수준에 다지 가서에 가서에 다지 detachment 수준에 조조디지 가서에 I can see myself. The detachment 수준에 조디 낭sem당 가서에지 timbu르지 낭섬 게지 가말다 간다 non attachment is 아주 넘지 차고 매버슬 주산에 지당 아주리아 데 고거스 차바사 수듀버 차바 소소라 이동할 수순 되베 뭐부터 수듀버 차 다들지리아 군도샤고 되버사나 들지 고 이내 아주도 교연데 가라사나 수듀 사베젤이야 아니지 수수수 디기 가르에다지 수수수 칭원을 치해제 벤 대와 가와를 치다 가서 다디 들려 교영 잘부지 타진진을지 다들 좋아하는 거 제가 된대에 타지든 진배 단 집에서 말해 타진진 서머에 티 차시에 대한 아주 동과지 지당 아주 수듀버치 와지 이미냐 타지든 진배지 가서 셴바로디 le tongwa spena nga zu namgyu de tongwa de yare pena nga zu tingsan zomling tolia bene consumerism consume that ne consume sia jor da jala mangbo sia ji that thing one ne good example kaso de attachment that de garasana 수수기 남주에 대 배주에 마당체 배디지 이제 미신다 advertise 체하다 미신다게 가르쳐 있는 DJ스베 교체 에는 아주 심시 마체비 인두스탄 디제 토안에 땅 아주지 가르쳐베 디 강에 망고시지 베네 ku요리 교행하러 딱 간다 아주 강에 쉽지 망고 쳐야 돼요 아래 디리 인두스탄 디 균세 때는 아주 예 버도 가르쳐 디갑량 아주 되어바상 아주 거버사 들레버 예와를 체체 non attachment situation ngaso 강 구요 말에 강 되기요 말에 쓰요 말에 이내야 디갑리야 양 오늘 되바다 거버사들 야와를 체체 오늘 전에 매나 텀매버디 아주 녀버도 고아래 이내 가시 아주 들어가서 찍가서 메이크업 저기 수수 셈기 건 뇌감기 봐 go samba mato be meba drionde yorde jesa o tida attachment ji go yorde ne ade nga zu ti gyeng chat ba mebse da de ji la ja je de
타치진잖아. 탁치.
ta ji extremely
맞아.
ta jig du ziba ta jig du
맞아. I think we need to here make a distinction between detachment and non-attachment. And so generally, when we talk about detachment, then what usually happens is, actually we need things. We have to want a few things. And when we want things and we're attached to things, we get things and we bring them into ourselves. And we actually need that. That is important for us. But the problem comes when after we've brought things or gotten things toward ourselves, then we hold on to them. We have like an extreme. We hold on them as an extreme too much. We hold on to them too much, and then that is something that creates difficulties for us. And so it is that extreme clinging on to things, or the clinging to things, holding on to things as just being ours, that we then need to eliminate. It's like we talk about in the world, we talk about consumerism these days. We consume things, we want things. And actually, this is actually a really good example of attachment. because most of the time the things that we get through consumerism are not things that we actually want. They're things that someone else has or something that an advertisement says we should have, and then we get this feeling in our mind like we need it, and then that creates many difficulties for ourselves. It creates difficulties in our private lives, it creates the environmental difficulties, and so forth. And so we need to distinguish what it is that we need from what we want. Actually, if we think about it, there's not really a whole lot that we actually need in the world. But we have to distinguish what our wants and what our needs are. And the things that are necessary for us, of course, we need those. But then there are some things where we have this feeling of wanting them. It's like that we've made up in our minds. And we think to ourselves, oh, I absolutely have to have it, but that is just a thought. And those are the things that we actually don't really need. And so that is where the problem comes.
Okay. Try it. Yes. Wow. Okay.
Hi, this is a two-part question.
Two-part question.
Why do you think Westerners, a lot of Westerners in this room,
Yeah.
have such a hard time stilling their minds? And how does positive and negative energy relate to mindfulness?
Wow. Ooh. Next lifetime being Western. Try. That delay, me said that. The Western people, this is somebody in Italia, Chazano, modern, sorry, educated. Just some of the energy. Maumba, doing the suicide. Kandarchi, Kashure, make plans, sort of that Maumba, doing the suicide. Kandarchi, Mambuchiliang, Asuji. Chadichagua, Mambuchiliang, Asuji, Kashure, Takadaji, Mambushi, Takada, some danci, Mambu, do the search, worry, check what the Mambuchi in Dusan. That the Kashur, Asu, same day, Kandar, Kashur, more and more Kashur, Taji, German, Dang. Dana Singi and a Tusum Tower of the Shu Cherry don't shall you in this that the Tone and just some dear Kashurdaji, Tubur Cham. And Dana's positive energy, this way never carve torture. Sem Jubachili and Rotu maybe in Dusana, and the Junzendene on Nubati Yungo. The Indusan di Junzendene and then the Mimanguchi this Kashre. 说是第是浪州乐，说是人家浪州乐呗，从啊从这的 meditation 入家都是这个的，但因为呢 meditation 啥的，我嘛因为呢 traditional 入家因为呢，那边不都这亲戚，俺这日本人们吃啥给吃着的，因为那地方都是干了好些的，没忙过这的地水些要嘛，做的啊就是两个吃个啦，说是。 내가 지기리아 세미네아 지 가르래 딱 간다 셈디마 쉬워치야 탑시 다 드레지 메르체슈 소마르 드레지 과다 개점으로 차디가래 드레 주산에 지당기 응연되실라
It's not just Westerners. It's people all throughout the world who we all have modern educations, and as we get modern educations, we start thinking about the future. We go out to welcome the future and bring the future to ourselves. We're making plans for things. We're preparing for many different things and many different eventualities. And because we're doing this, we're always thinking about bringing the future forward, and we're worrying about this. What happens when we do this is that our minds get a little bit contrived. Our minds get worked up about this, and our thoughts about the past, present, and future get stronger and stronger. And this is what disturbs our minds. And so, whatever positive energy we have, it's at this point that we get separated from that, or that positive energy gets scattered in many different ways. And so, we don't feel like we have that power within our mind. And so for that reason, many people feel like they are losing themselves, and so they go off to meditate. But Traditionally, when people would go to meditate, they'd go to some isolated, remote location and do meditation. But these days, it's very difficult to do that. Most people do not have the time to be able to do that. And so we need to be able to meditate as we do our work. While we're working, at the same time, we need methods to be able to bring peace to our minds. And that is what we mean by meditation. And it's important to recognize that this is what we need.
I think that has already 개치슈디 얘가 주는 시 베너지 아주 남균기 가르래 소외난기 차시해지는 고주지 남균아서 당이 쉬는 시 우상에 우단데요. 제가 미세지 말되고 미세체 과스게 우단데 여비인들사나 엔디토리아 수수 셈디 냠바로 샤지 디네 고주지 아니 신에베 가르래 차예르 땅제 갈리갈리지 소수의 내가 뜻을 qab입니다. 제토입니다. 단 도는지 소수의 셈디 소수 나랑을 주 로세 안 간다 가르래지 relax 제토야 알지 되지 뭐가다 기좀 성도스 다디고 트레이닝 거야도 마도지 뒤주로 가시지는 뒤다로 가시지는 제 안넘유 마셔야 되나 이시라 변동 많은 성도
And so the most important thing is that we need to make this a part of our lives. For example, when we have difficulties or encounter a problem, then we're still breathing. We've got breath is always with us, and so if we can just bring ourselves and so we can bring our minds to rest equally with our breath, then at that point, then it starts out small, but it'll get stronger and stronger. It'll get better and better. And then if we are able to do this while we work, then that will be make it so that it'll feel like our minds are then returning home and we'll be able to relax. But it's important to remember we have to have training to do this. This is not something that we can do in a short time. It's not something we can practice for a week and then it'll happen. If we think it's like that, then it will not help.
How can one find contentment within oneself in that not worrying about what others think about us?
오케이. 이제 가상 사람들 로지로.
Sammy Shingi Tonsuma Sama Rande.
저다 미생 통주랑 아주 도난 최고야를 쉐데 이미는 그뒤에 미생 통주 수수기 통수디 개체 부분지 미생다 통주 경간 자체를 조성해 가라 하버시 제자 가상망에 지라와 총소 배는 아주 배는 compassion like kindness but take care to saving입니다. 파치 두자 참섬 we get the responders, 야우시라 토고 말았어. 데 뭐도 걸려야 삼성 아주 삼성직 로판벤 내주라고 야나? 야 삼성 아주 양디 가서 베는지 수수기 compassion들 value를 시다메 되버려 또. 그래서 삼다데 지쇼진에 드그멘도 성도스 가서 비즈니스도. 비즈니스도 상에 바직 잘하지 때 and 그 수대 봐. 근데 뭐 중심 이 비즈니스 디코라 용하지요 막. 근데 유산의 디균센데네. 아주 최체사의 변화지 가서 뒤쇼는 데베 부유지 모티브는 시사 그 요번에 부디 지금 리모지 TV나 코랑기 낭올이야 간다 beautiful 그 충분히나 디 코랑의 containment스는 다도 코랑이야 디기를 제거하래 제가 디고야데 기시라게 좀 샤디 하데스 녜래 소술이야 디기테 투면나 텐트베기 냐면 디기 미신달에 디기테가 가라 가보시라레스 인두산에 아네 챔피언 주야데 수수 장든 somewhere 장래야 냠래암 카라칸섬지 연된 가서에 뉴버드 지역에 토하네 아니 신래야 편바 주고야 빌리지마도 말 지시해야 되는 거
The way other people look at us is, of course, something that we need to consider. But what is more important than the way other people
balance 저거를 미신다 동주의 소수 동주. 배는 방부니 참아서 손세죠. balance.
What is more important than the way other people think of us is the way we think of ourselves. We need to have a balance between the way we think of ourselves and the way other people think of ourselves. We have a saying that goes, of the two witnesses or the two judges, hold the principal one, which means that holding your own view is the most important one. And so in this way, of course, we do need to take care of things. But I was mentioning this the other day. When we are compassionate to other people, sometimes we try to be compassionate, we try to do something good for other people, and we do something to try to help them, but then the response is not so good. And we are a little bit disappointed, and we feel like, we are tried to be compassionate, and there is no response to that. And if we think about it from one perspective, this way of being compassionate is maybe not the best. It's like doing business. When you do a business, then you've got a service that you give to other people, and they give you something in return. And if you don't have that, then your business is going to go bankrupt. But Dharma or practice is not like that. Dharma, it's like when a child draws a drawing. A child draws a drawing, they draw something that they like and find beautiful, and this gives the child satisfaction within him or herself. And so that's what we need it to be like. It's important for it to be like that. First of all, we have to have happiness for ourselves. Before we're able to bring other people happiness, we need to be happy ourselves. And so in order to be able to help others, we need to do things for our own sake. We need to practice for ourselves. We need to have the qualities or that capacity within ourselves, and then only then will we be able to do it.
Better. Okay, thank you.
So one of the things when we talk about mindfulness that came up in this year's theme is to ask His Holiness to talk about mindfulness as an artist, as a writer, as a poet, how is bringing mindfulness to that in any way enhanced or different, or just to reflect on that, and then everything else.
I think it's my rubbish. The English is not so good, but I'm trying to speak some English. What do you think? Good? Good. Where's the English teacher? There's somewhere there. Who somewhere there? Oh yeah. I think mindfulness. Everybody knows maybe later. Everybody heard this, mindfulness. Everybody. But mindfulness is not so easy. It's kind of, because sometimes I have this feeling, because I'm my daily schedule is quite fixed and quite busy. I need to meet different people, have different background. Some of them is not really Buddhist or Buddhist followers. They are, but they want to curious, you want to ask me some questions, or ask, maybe I can give them some sort of new idea or something that they think they will change. And also, it's I think better Tibetan, okay. And then she misses some nanolia energy cashway. She lama we get Mingchabur Jevins, a spiritual leader. Mingchabur Jevins are Tijun and Tone, and Kandachi Koran cashway. Kashi somebody nanolevish, that chemo of this Labeji two shana. And the Baji 동해 망부지 마 시도에 되게 believe 지가래. 제가 이 규제당 for me it's a kind of big pressure somewhere challenge. Did chat the artists.
Also, people think that because I have the title of being a lama and the title of being a spiritual leader, this big title, then people think that they're going to come and see me, and then without really doing anything, that something is going to happen to them. They'll think that I'll be able to lay my hands on them and take away all of their suffering. And so for that reason, I feel like there's a lot of pressure and a lot of challenge.
나 이미 내가 구슬 가르친 거 말했잖아. 그러나 디 가르쳐야 디 leadership 가르쳐야 not just spiritual 다나신 가르쳐 지속하기 leadership means pressure 가져야 돼. challenge 가져야 돼. 디시라신 거 말아. 제가 간다야 주체 주산에 디 나로리아 아니 가르쳐야 조조디 가르쳐야 강해를 좀 먹고 싶어요. 오늘 그러면 충충갑네. 당기 쉬브는시 로듀응갑이야. 안 까마버 체제 문진체. 엔티네지 소스 파마다 카체. 디 소스 파유다 카체 고베 나로래 돼지. 민고 마시든지 냠도지 가르쳐. 딱 간다. 두스 소화르게 두스에 되어야지. 안 간다들 드리 루스탄 드리지기 네다르 쉐비나 다다봐도 가르쳐야지 keep 가르쳐 단동이네 다지 심슈 마차브스나 장도 단 드리스 무티 드로트웨어디 creation 이렇게 가르쳤잖아. 조조다 아섬리아지 참니지서 말해. 수수인제다 랭디 수수 랭겐의 opportunity somewhere 고급으로 지면은 무지 체제 안에 내 돈에 다 간다 셴이야 안에 페버주야 선한다도 생계 자와지에 될이야 수수 자심을 지지 이 군선 때네 모두 로데아로 차디가 인도스탄에 이게 가르통거였으나 미신다리야 자와 차다 미신다기 가르쳐 현대 쿠르드 키아가 누버디 랍신지 버지당 티 가르쳐 수수기 셴펜 주투버 전도 마스베 수수 게르기 강예당지 셈기 다 양의 망부를 상태야 되지 누버에 버지 통도스.
But what the people who come to see me don't know is they don't know how much challenge and how much pressure there is to being a spiritual leader, how many challenges there are to being a leader in society. So the main thing is there are a lot of difficulties, like as I was saying a little while ago. When I was young, at the age of 7, I was separated from my parents. I was identified as the Karmapa. I was separated from my parents and separated from my homeland and brought to a monastery surrounded by people I didn't know. And I had this feeling of being surrounded by people I didn't know. And yet still I feel like the power of my mind has not been used up. I feel like I'm still able to continue to be able to do this. And the reason for this is love and compassion. It's like if we recognize that our responsibilities are also an opportunity, then when then I feel like we can recognize that benefiting other people, or perhaps fulfilling other people's hopes, is actually a chance for ourselves. And so I think that we have this actually really vast capacity to be able to be loving towards other people and to be able to bear the burden for other people. And so I think when we do this, that it's not just something where we then accomplish something for others' sake, but we also are able to then develop the power to do something for our own sake, to dispel our own difficulties and problems.
Well, that's why I'm not the person that some people think, it's a Karmapa, sort of 900 years. I'm not 900 years old, but this history, Karmapas, the first Karmapas is born at 900 years ago. That means it's, now it's 17. That means it's this, the one person have 900 years old tradition or history, but then some people think, I'm kind of Buddha or kind of God, no feeling, no like sort of happy or sad, just there, ready to give what you want, Not some people, sometimes lots of people they're not really take care what my feeling, but that is okay. Sometimes something like today, we can sit together, kind of sort of enjoy together. These sort of things that I want, because like when I was 14 years old, that time I made the decision to leave my country and to escape from Tibet to come to India. This is for me, it's a kind of big decision. I'm not sure. Maybe on the way, maybe we can't make it. Maybe I need to go to jail, or I will die on the way. I'm not sure. But why I need to make that decision, that I think it's a kind of sort of, I want to do something that, even though 다가르가 차산을 뉴베르 차산 요마르데 이미네야 간다지 accept 소소이기 랭겐데 accept 제제 샤르 네 뉴스안 뺀당 아주디 딘데야 냠도 좀지 가버치야를 든데 충분해 가버치야 충분히 근데 통연 뉴스안 애니 신에지 소소이기 가르다 오마베 타주를 제버디 엔직도와 삼선을지 노민도와 삼선을지 pena dini industry pena ngarang ge ngene samta bi mine de occasion of the ngarang ge ngel ya karjurata ji 중대 첨부를지 그래서나 ngarang 타주 첨부를지 제 노동 첨부를지 제 근데 제 비 industry 내레시 pena 탄 드링 아주 대 좀한데 nga 변수 내레면아 요 아메 비 인상 디균제 되네 아니 가주래 근데 요한이도 스네 industry
So I'm not able to do everything, but at least I can accept my responsibility. It's like when we all get together here, I'm so delighted to be able to get together with you. And the reason I'm so joyful about this is that I feel now as if the commitment I made in the past was not a mistake. I feel like I did not, everything is working out all right. And so when I have occasions such as this one, I feel like taking on this great responsibility and really dedicating myself to it and putting myself into it is something that really has borne fruit. And I feel like here we're all able to gather together here and do this today. And if I had not come from Tibet, then we wouldn't be able to.
드린 주스나다 뉴제 제상 아 참로리아 저블린디 찌르 직대하는 도 차디야래 아주 디도 참로 찌르 직대하는 지 안저 인주산에 아주 여기 오늘 채비는 찌르 직대한 이미 인주산에 에너지 가스래 the responsibility is over with that genkur sambuji 아주리아 오늘 전에야 딱 가서 된기 차는 아주리아 개인데 아주리 용데 야래 임비네 아주리아 다들지 니지 누밤 직들에 가서 참지 누버를 지매야 인주산 내가 좀 개인데 쿠르투야 말에 쿠르표야 말에 인주산에 참지디 잠시 누버 충분히면 은 신에 아주 소소랑리아 티웨 미션 서머베 미션 사나 미션 쪽도야 지당 개인 코스 서버지 용되게 하래 인두산에 점링 돌이야 가서다 미망고지 지 까면 그 매로 쉬어비 인두 다 미께서 집어만다 까면 그 매다 지 심제는 망부여 지당 다나 신기 니즈 강에 채비 니즈 망고지 아주 고니 다디 니즈 세알이야 고니 대여 인두산에 디규제 때네 아주 녀바도 아니 니지 누바다 참지 누보 공배도 땅과디 개침부르지 자디가래 베랑아랑기 미지나로리 비냐 당부 베랑아랑 부춘준 걸이야 최시 가야 말에 베랑 지까만 받체사 밀럼 나나 군유야 말에 홉드 칼이야 아니 진짜 샤브를 강강로 가서 최시 쇠네 쇠 샤브게야 말에 홉드 칼들 샤브래 소수에나데 액셉트 체지 고급을 주지면지 소수 가리 민사디 니주 가래 임비냐디 고급을 임버를 지금 지르 체연두산에 에네 신에 가서에 소수 미지 임베진 게르지 쿠르투야기 다 가서 삼버지 총벌에 되주사 디교서된 상물이야 데 유기를 삼배 이제 슈딩이요 스타트면 가셔서
So all of us in this world depend upon each other. We're mutually dependent. Our pains and happinesses all depend upon each other. And so since we actually are all dependent upon each other, then we all have this responsibility. And this is a purpose that we all have. And I think that we all have this purpose, but because we often lack the capacity of our compassion, or we don't have the power of such great love and affection, that we feel like we are unable to do it, and we don't dare to do it. We don't dare to take this responsibility upon ourselves. But actually, this is that the power of loving compassion it's a responsibility that we need to take upon ourselves to be able to help ourselves. And it's something we need for the world, for all of the people in the world. Actually, not just for all of the people, for all of the sentient beings in the world. They are waiting for us to do something about the difficult situations that they find themselves. They're waiting for us to do something to remove their difficulties, and so they're waiting for us to increase the potential or the power of our love, the power of our affections and compassion. When I was little, I had no plans. I'm going to be the Karmapa and do this. I never even dreamed that, of any such thing. And it's not like all of a sudden I came with a plan, I'm going to do this. But I recognized that I had an opportunity. I accepted that there was an opportunity. So what I actually am is a different question, but I recognized that I had this opportunity. And I feel like this is a responsibility that all of us humans have, and that we all have the ability to take upon upon ourselves.
This is going back to sort of your experience with poetry and playwriting. What do you think is the most important thing to think about when you're sort of looking for inspiration for a work in any kind of artistic medium?
일단 가서 사제한 가서 네 총재라 강연나 가서 그 인스피레이션 셀라네 개체시 섬단당 개체시 강연나서
ke chi shu di pena nga su di ka shwe ji pena nge nam ju pena zom ru ge du sa ne energy ka shu ma thang bo zom ye be ka liya nga liya ji be be lu lu ru ji da ka shu da ji sem na lam sa the ne ji be be lu lu shi je ma ya de ge ka shu ji obstacle ru cha che je ma be sam ru shi da go nge ji ka shu jue ne 수수 주메 사무실 당고인 차리고 세상 얘는 규제 아티스트 돌아 삼로 갔던 거랬으나 인지 민지 가수에베 사무실 당지 가주니 제버지당 아니 야나 가주니 가수에지 배 야부를 쇠세 뢰베 주에는 야부지 소가 아마이바 약셔데 가라서나 수수기 number dog 당부 세는 장도 야나 제마 메비 지 로리아 가르차버디 파 가지지 된투베입니다. 안 대주지기 안 아티스트 어디 가르에 지 대주지기 어디 세르라지 그래서 나지 가르에서나 조디 아티스트 사디 가다지 소수 셈기 차나로디 가지지 비게 세야 된투베지당 안 대야 미망부지 가지지 가수에다지 하코인비네 디지직 인트레스트 차 투야르 저들이 인주산 디균제 때네 아주 네바르도 제마 모임베 소수기 셈기 차나서나 자도 셈기人心서나 자도 디 컨디스 파트원 고유티 조차 마도베 참상 아주 주에네 지 가수 sob주의 때문에 쉽지 다 가수래 나바 잡으러 써야지 직구를 쉬게 되면 뭐 뒤 난대암 뒤 천자 된게 정신 대한 소수기 마주에 병안에 같이 된 도미사데 개체로 저거면서 정도스
When I'm writing, when I first started writing, things would just spontaneously pour out. It's like I didn't have to do it. They just, without any effort, it would naturally pour forth. But later it became more difficult, and I had to think more. I had to do more, and it became more contrived and more forced. And usually when I end up writing something, it's like for some occasion or something that I have to do it. But I want to do something good. And so what I usually think is that it's like the first thought is the best thought. So what I try to do is I try to show what it is that appears in my mind and to show what it is. And I think that is what an artist tries to do. It's the nature of what an artist is trying. When you do that, then the nature of the art becomes clear. And so I think when an artist is able to clearly demonstrate what's present in their mind or make people understand what they're thinking about, then when that happens, I think in order for that to happen, we need to have an uncontrived, unforced ability to show just whatever it is that occurs in our minds, or you could also say the nature of our minds. And so for that reason, it's not like we need to force something or make something up or to create something solid. Instead, we need to look at what we're actually trying to show, what we're trying to illustrate, and then try to show that in an uncontrived manner.
I did have the opportunity to borrow your book before I found it on sale in the lobby, and I devoured the center part where you were talking about what we need to do personally You mentioned that you had asked the monks and nuns to become vegetarian, and the connections to consumerism and food justice, and I see a strong connection between all of these things. And I'm wondering if you might want to comment on that at all.
Kama kasijina tsama shetu askemindo de yimina nge kuzulia kaswe rewa tengo di zo de kaswe da monks and nuns chibo member chida ta followers someone with us ade ji kama be mindu chebe yinza ti gyuze de ne ji de kama kamsang gi chugyu misolya rewa tembre the Dongwa Gimsen to Karasana and a Karasana Bena but Simjin Tundruang Wushing, Azu, Kase Jibu Chedo and Dongyan de Giva, not Julian de Givici. Cesa, the question de Kuzulia, Nazuna Shingi Benedict Kadriti, Choa, you miss out, get a share to miss out the Maba. Question the Kuzuliata, Didug Soa, you may say, in Dusane, and an Azuki Kuzu Didulia, the Samatan share. The Susugi Kasreji, Shalia, Sebe Wangi, Simjation, Susugi, that G, and the Duma Susanesi, Rangi Gibu Chedo, and Simjation, Najutonadi, and that is Drama Shavuchi down. The Kasre Chambuman Baji, Nizu Chadi in Dusana, and Azu, never to the Kasreteria. Some good language, Salabar don Azuji, Tivasimbu, Nalola, Simjatam Pada Mata, Vindushir, Sungare, the Dusane, and a Padame Shakaris, the Padamen Dushi, Sungi, Sungiati, Sharp Sadiadi, and a Mazuji Kasre. 가서 직변 조당 김센 조당 토네 띠띠 퉁고만 되는 인주산에 나중에 버드 삼당고도 슬라버도 에너지 샤사디 쿠유된 자바연디가레 다나 신기 에 sabjegi detanda jabar jondigaare pena ngaranto jimbine ngoma chunjungale 샤사 갑시다요 샤망시다 스요are 디스게다 유에 삼등이 예비냥 에네 치수 가르다지 상매기 인스피레스 자체도 당 수수인비냥 안내 가다를 가셔에 배낭 아추준가 두산에 로스미시갈이야 아주나리아 심젠데 세시 두산에 디두산 알이야 구수지 겹투는 사베 초아치 부시라요 비체 디두산에 안베 니지 초아르 부시라 용디 이나 디두게 체투야 말에 자장랑로 첨부를 차베 젤리아 에드리지기 가셔에 소수 타주를 들이 세토임이나 아 소수임이네 지금 충중급기 다 자와스난다도 면함스난다도 딘주투버지당 아니 심진 튜투드솔임이네 동대 페버를 도시용스레 사버르지 아 들리지 나 준세 망고 싶지 여비 인두산 라우산나서 셰토스 게민도
It's too much to say in just a few moments, but basically, when I expressed my hope for the Kagyu monks and nuns, actually, it wasn't just for the monks and nuns, because I have the title of Karmapa. Then I'm able to place my hopes or put my hopes on all of the followers of the Karma Kamsang lineage, and so for that reason, I have made this request and for my followers, and so often when there are many sentient beings who are killed solely for a meat, and they experience a lot of suffering and torments in this. And it's not a question of whether they're sensate or insensate, whether or whether they're intelligent or not. The question is whether they experience pain and pleasure or not. And if we think about that, then when we when we slaughter other sentient beings for our own, to be able to eat their flesh, then it's like actually we're slaughtering an aspect of ourselves, since we're all dependent upon one another. And so when we think about it in that respect, then it is not okay for us to do this. It's not an honest and straight or upright way to do this. And so for that reason, I have been encouraging people to be vegetarian. In particular, as Mahayana Buddhists, in Mahayana Buddhism, we need to think of all sentient beings as being our parents. And it wouldn't be logical for us to eat our parents' flesh and blood. So while we're thinking of these sentient beings as being our parents, at the same time eating their flesh, then this just doesn't work logically. It doesn't make any sense from this perspective. And it's also the issue of eating meat is intimately connected with the environment. Actually, when I was little, I ate a lot of meat, and I was well known as a voracious carnivore. But then later, I thought about this, and I realized that it could be inspiring for other people. What I really thought about was when I was 3 or 4 years old. Of course, I was a nomad, and so we occasionally had to slaughter animals in order to eat their flesh. And when that happened, I felt such strong compassion. I wanted to be able to protect those beings and save those beings, but I was too little, and I was unable to do anything. Now I'm older, and I am able to do something. And so I would like to be able to fulfill that hope or that aspiration that I made when I was little, and to be able to do something to benefit all of these beings. And so there are many different reasons for encouraging vegetarianism. There's not really time to speak about all of them right now.
What can one do to de-stress and find inner peace within oneself, to quiet one's mind and to just relax, de-stress?
얘는 이 example를 가르쳐야 되어서나 배나 지구 사회를 가르쳐 배나 자란 지구 사회를 매랑 근dünya 자란 지구 사회를 샤샤위나 이나 되게 송예르부터 피난 되용거디 임비네 그 지구어디 매랑 날리게 하면은 얘나신 아주 셈 나로리아 아니 가르쳐요 니수디 하고 니수디 고서지 이내야 디 니수디 프레셔도 좀 많이 붙여야 되려요 아주 동이 삼다데 개심을 좀 해서 성도스 돈이 삼다도 사람 오늘 뭐뭐 라왕와 비에 지 아주지 차고지 비에 여 말아서 도도지 그게 망보질 때는 여비 인도산에 뭐뭐 차고지 매비 인상 대균선 때는 and precious that 오늘은 비에 가서래 아테인지 비에 차고지 비에 여 말아 인도산에 대균선 디렉터네 그 가서다 정신이야 삼당 되게 distressed somewhere the chume kadolia 팅오 디 깡체 팅오려 봐 셈 냠버 샤요 두산에 디두산 정신기 고란 가서다지 고란 dissolve 차라지 용거를 디두산에 디거리아 정신이야 삼동아데 계속 좀 해서 넘버리아 넘버리 정신 삼동아데 계속 해서
The example I usually give for this is that when you take something heavy and weighty and you put it in front of a mirror, the reflection, there is the reflection that shows in the mirror, but that reflection has absolutely none of the weight of the thing that is reflected. And so it's the same. If we think in our minds, we realize that if we realize that there's the situation that's outside of that, but the weight does not have to come inside of our mind. And so for this, we need to think about emptiness. It's important to think about emptiness. And when we say emptiness, what this means is that things are not as we usually think, some solid, singular, solid, hard thing. Actually, there are many different causes and conditions that come together. It's not some single solid thing. And so when we experience pressure, we might think that it's actually the solid thing that is bearing down upon us. But if we actually think about the nature of it, then it reduces the stress. There isn't anything solid about it. And so we think about that when the stressful situation happens. And if we can sort of maintain that nurture and maintain that nature and rest our minds within it, then that stress will just naturally dissolve. And so it's important for us to think about the nature. It's more important to think about the nature of how things are than how they appear.
What is our proper relationship to plants and animals, and who speaks for them?
지당 아주 지가르에 지 animals are the plants are the diri living karvreta system living karvre chala chadi ore seso sanandado chone ge renshi de bi ngobru chadi ore dri bisane ngazu sanglo ngarasu imbine de part of nature imbine da ngazu draw me in a part of nature chadi ore imbine ngazu jemandi no longer part of nature those in the charge no longer part of nature to study or it is not so the any Kashbreda tak get shares to kind of lauta the different traditions someone around there ben pearl of chasa yimina energy ben rich hamburg the courage in the day anti Kashbre telagi haru jigne or sarbuta sing the chamber jevi in telaharu ne or sarbuta and churu sangbo chair jevi telaharu ne or sarb tindegi Kashbre munzir chigare kuzu sugun datan the karasana di hanan jinjiki kuzu da Kashbre source living source chamber in the jidang danashi kuzu di Kashbre mizinalong gwengyep chigiyebji 딱 안달 kuzu디 za chenbu imbeji da ke chenbu imbegi nguzin de da sebsta yare dini di gyunze de da di chojin de bina da ridan cha da samlo ji la re si du zane mongde ru cha de yor de ne chojin de bina kuzugi ene one natural den deba sabo shibji yebeji dang da na ji kuzu understand proper understanding of yebeji di gyunze de ne kuzugi ku유당 냠도 ku유의 튜베지 초아게알이야 안에 너르고 미스 캐바시라 유에데지 됐던 거 알았어 것도 스네 두산 대균전 때에 나라주 이민의 진짜기 ancient traditions and wisdoms and 줄이야 로브종 체제 컨지 체제 아니지 내셔디 지도 데미지 버지다 개침버지 임바 아주 source 지임바 아주 다듯이 nature 토안에 줄래야디 경가 삼당마마도베 kuzu tadabado azu tebetela appreciate cheme azu kadüine kasuri diking lujita karin tyando mindoda azu madobe one chane kuzu azul karjendo ate samdadi nyongchabe gyön sto shadiga dindusan tene du tigyunzen tena azu ngebardo energy ancient kasu wisdom tradition dizulia lobjo chese 제가 계속 동도스
Animals and plants are all living beings. They're living creatures. So it's like you could say they have a nature that is alive. And we human beings are also part of this. We're part of this, but because our way of life has become artificial, we sometimes think of ourselves as no longer being part of a nature. But if we think about different traditions, for example, like with Tibet, when we see a mountain, like a snow-covered mountain, we say, a god lives there. We see a tree and we say a god or a goddess lives there. A river, we say a god or a goddess lives there. And then we have this, it becomes a part of our traditional way of life that we respect this, and we think of this god or goddess as being a source of our life, and then we think that we need to protect this, protecting it. This becomes our way of life. We consider this to be something sacred and something important. So if we think about this from one perspective, it might seem like it is just blind faith or superstition. If we look at it from another way, then it's actually recognizing the connections that we have with nature, and it's having a proper understanding of our relationship with nature. And so for that reason, I think that one of the main things we need to do to be able to live in harmony with nature as people is that we need to see how is it that the ancient peoples have done this. We need to learn more about the... It's like these ancient people ancient peoples have a way to be able to have conversations with nature and communicate with nature. And so we need to respect these ancient wisdom traditions. We need to learn more about the ancient wisdom traditions so that we will be able to understand or see that beauty and see the importance of nature. When we approach nature, generally we think of it only as something that we take from. We take these resources from nature, and we don't appreciate what it is that we are taking it from. All we are doing is taking from the nature and seeing what it is that we can get out of the environment. And so I think that for that reason, it is important for us to learn more about the ancient wisdom traditions.
ngadi da jigdong gu yeju chenga lo le and dawa chube der jugule amashi the official Queen of England na shi chan official birthday jig da real birthday jig ni cha so or real birthday de dawa chube der jugule le ya ge che nge khajur jesa di pyo shasho lungo kugyo jire kake yomare kasho modern Europe sabe ki ene kasho kap di san Europe sabe yage kai kai yomare o늘 bi kasho da ji chuje di pasi yomare ta kasho di 신다 파샤 지리 di zo lor tingji 지리 kashe ji ki yong ji mazu de changa yeb gyo de ar shi 이 주산에 딱 간다 remote place 좀 제. 제가 든데스 가르쳐 초진의 remote 봐. 안다는 신기 national 의 시합에 타니브지 대학이 대기업의 인두산에 에네 가르쳐다지 너르기 벽이 엔다가다 소화 닝버지 구유다 팀베지 소화 로스 닝버로 텔레야 가서 파자 냠냠사 고거로 준비 총벌에 드린자 디규즈 된다지 구유 토리아 게시아데 가스 가서지 가서다지 artificial understanding which may be che this is 총총 둘이야 오늘 전에기 ane kuyuki, ranjung kuyu, ta tanyebache, ranjung kuyu de nyamdo, ane tsoakia kogab chukchungba Hindustane, tiki pacha sangpachebe inza tiki dobla tene chumbare samchangi yus. An dana shi ngaraga palada amalada su shira chikashwe choji ne nangbaruche, di nana jidang simple, and ju chenposa kaya amala the simple family in very warm summer family. Truji than them Kim Sarvich. Then Chamzin than them Kim Sarvich Islam to Garbage. Kandariang, I gave a Gablia and Kashra day. 디 가자 auspicious 가자 다얌전전에 지 충분해서 제가 충분히 지 교란지 레사르지 미세지 레사르지 기지요래 인 미세 가르인 수지 시야요 다지 지 맨로스다 나만도 두고도 지 맨로사르지 충분히 이미네 가르인데 시야토야스게요 말봐 드리두산게 발라기 그디네 지 라마자 침버들 그디제네 납사지 게 거르지 지 nga khari ne sar ke je tere yemi ne lo dun ba tele ya len chung ma re che za ji ku su sam sam ji disappointed the retire sare lo dun ga suddenly samar be and da kama ka so tham nge le search group le and ko su de ba da man ke je chi and jama yang ga le yun du san kyo kama ba res la nga su phayu le kama ba ji dang traditionally nga su ji lama za chi 그런 가서에 개심을 쓰대야 제사 까마버스도 시비직백에 야배 가서 사도 차디에서 안 홉디칼이야 교랑 대바치서도 교랑 부들에서 라비드스는 미상으로지 쇼크를 차지 가서 할레브르 차르 차르와 안에 딜로 둥이네라 다로 둥이가네 미안티질라
I was born in 1985 on the 19th of June. Actually, I'm kind of like the Queen of England. I've got my real birthday and the official birthday. The real birthday is on the 19th of June. And the place I was born was in eastern Tibet, a very, very remote location. There wasn't any modern or contemporary development at all. There were no machines at all, no technology. It's like, forget about machines. Like, if someone would come bringing candy, they'd only come once or twice a year, and someone would come with candy, and we'd run after them in a crowd trying to get 1 or 2 candies per year. And so this is this very remote location where I grew up. And because it was such a remote area, it was very close to nature, and it was very and we also lived the ancient Tibetan way of life, the old traditional ways, a way of leading our life that really is very harmonious with the environment. And so it made a real impression upon me. I had a taste or an experience of this traditional way of life. And I feel like this a real experience of the traditional livelihood. And so I think it's because of this that I have had such an interest in the environment. It's not because it's an artificial thing. It's like I've had this experience that it comes out of. My parents were Buddhist, and they were not a wealthy family, very simple livelihood. So it was a simple family, but a very warm home, a very warm household, a loving household that I grew up in. So when I was born, there are all sorts of auspicious or miraculous signs that happened, and so everyone said, "Oh." So there were, the sound of conches blowing and various other signs that happened, and so everyone said, "Oh, you must be the reincarnation. This must be the reincarnation of some big lama. He must be someone special. This is a special child." And so my parents, they thought this has to be reincarnation of someone. So every time they had a chance, they'd bring me to some important lama, whatever important lama they could, say, "Who is my son?" And no one was ever able to tell them, and so up until the age of 7, they were actually very disappointed about this. Then when I was 7 years old, the search party came looking for the Karmapa, and they first came and they asked a bunch of questions, they went away. Then they came back and they said, "Your son is the Karmapa." Now, actually, the area that I was from is one where we considered the Karmapa to be the most important, the Lama whom we had the greatest faith, like a god. And all of a sudden they were told, "Your son is the reincarnation of the person in whom you have such faith." And so it's a real shock for everyone. And so this happened when I was 7 years old.
Did you say the Tangbo Geshedusa? Kamabares, Mitshameji, Namgila Midaji, Tangology, Luvurdoji, Karson, Juarez Test, Tangology, Kugushim, Kezaruj. Masun and Gil Samsa, Zemozidus, Buddhist Zemozidusane, 지가 지 라마 인도도 지간데 데 도르 지간데 신다도 지 셉지리 인도도 지 마스데 지 점자야를 줘봐 디소르 창물로 단 미겜바 창물로 점정이를 차지 녜지 자지 디주사는 예사면 다 까마바차나 까마바차다 가는 하고 말에 예서 까마바차나 파지 이부르지 이게 점자 망보르 이게 점정게 조공 망보르 이게 사마르 지네를 차서 마도베 신당에 삼게 당신 거 말아. 따이네 아주 배벨로 소리야. 아니 그 주구차서도 사네. 안다베 디코라티 코라 다고 geb체. 디 파마라게 주도면체. 디 치겔 엑셉션을 갈아갑시다디. 베드디 가르쳐 가르치네 또 고수 다고 geb다. 가르쳐 베드 가르쳐다. 부드 파지 지 가르쳐에 종샤베 소치다 하나. 디 가리나 데 고마들 종샤베 소치. 아니 제자는 로디운가리아 파마다 카테 아니 고베나로리아 니만 니숨 도르다 니만 니숨 치치 이제 다른 것들이 루뉴 어레다 루뉴에서 어레 아니 고베나는 침브제 안 고베나 레스도 사네 아니 시라기 가르레 년 도슬라샤 다 도르 등르다
So at that time, when they said that when they said, "You're the Karmapa," I didn't really know what it meant, but all of a sudden, everyone changed. Everyone started really respecting me and bowing to me and being very respectful to me. And I didn't, like when I was a little kid, sometimes we'd play and I'd pretend I'm a llama and I'd sit on a rock and I'd make all of my friends, be my servants and my attendants. And then all of a sudden, all of the attendants were playing pretend along with them. It was playing this game at the same time.
All the old men.
All the older people.
Old
people were doing this as
become
well.
like big game, Everybody plays this game.
So I really had no idea. I didn't understand what being the Karmapa meant. I thought maybe being the Karmapa is going to be fun. Maybe I'll get lots of toys and there'll be lots of kids to play with. And I really didn't know to think any other way. But when you are recognized as a tulku or reincarnate lama, tulku in Tibetan, when you're recognized as one of these, then immediately the monastery takes control of you. Your parents no longer have any connection. They no longer have any responsibility or ability to function. This is something that is probably difficult for foreigners to understand. It's as if, once I was recognized as a tulku, then it's like I was sold to the monastery. And so at the age of 7, I was separated from my parents and from my homeland, and I was brought to the monastery, which is several days away. It was farther than I'd ever been before.
Alright. That's educated. The lovely dinner she omanda. Count some of the gigantic so she had some of the building of Zemel and Zoom dance we showed. Also, the traditional Gangalobe Naburche, Domanaburche. And then Kashua the and Thompson. Calling you Mr. Amazena, and it's something you in the city. Don't do it. The other Gagala Cheta, today says that those says training of change to Siomre. And then the Mausha Mocha, Lojushi Golia, Yagar Yombre. Did you Lojushi, as we make us in Yam to Yombre? Did you sign it? And the country is somewhat started. Titusane and a Carson, that public figure which had the Are and a Yana Shungi, Kasure, Tonachim, which is the Richard Are, and Peve Mitsam, Manchi, and washing group. The Rangers are Mazu Pea, the Imina, Hajang and Yagatsaruchi. Mazu Gazi, Kasure, Petugur Sambegi, the Kasuri. Kasure, you see this diamond. I to do some cause lavachon, Mabeconia. I do that Jagalba, Hakorne, that Comacashima, the Yamas, and that did star. Juice on the did star. Dromaton and don't do yours. Carasanabe, the at least Tana be cut, 뛰어서부터 다 만월시 만월 인자 안 빠진 저기 알았어. 다 드리시야 충분해. 안다 니마 dwin게 다 yes 나로래 야래 안죠. 안다 상말로지 가서 아 드리잖아네. 야나 다가다 야가래 안죠 하시는 간다 가서도 shumare de de da de ne ma je de ane da ga store mang go da de she ma se kemin do an tin de le bre an de du sa ne ane ka sha chus ane journey ru de ji da
And so in the monastery, I was educated, but there wasn't any school. It's, over here, you all have classes and teachers. You get together, you play games, you do some class, you learn, and you all get together and have fun doing it. But in Tibet, it wasn't like that. It was a traditional education, and it was mainly people scowling at me. And sometimes when I wouldn't listen to what people would say, then they would scold me, or even they'd spank or beat me. And so that was the training that I received. It's not necessary to say too much more about that, but at the age of 14, I came to India. There were a few of us who came together, and we had to come in secret because I was a public figure. The Chinese government took a lot of interest in me. Everyone in Tibet would recognize me, and so it was not at all clear that we would be able to escape, and we did not at all have any confidence that we would be able to escape. And I remember saying that even if we can't go, at least if we just turn in the right direction and go, we'll have the confidence that at least we tried to go in the right direction, and that should be enough. So it took 7 or 8 days. It was 8 days that we reached. We reached India in 8 days, and then since then there are many stories that have happened. But it's not necessary to go through all of them. I'd just like to say that I'm really happy to be able to come here this afternoon.
Thank you.
And so that is my journey.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing part of your journey with us. We are very, very fortunate, and we are deeply appreciative of your time and care for our community and everyone here. It certainly motivates all of us, and we hope that motivation will stay with us at least until your next visit, when you can give us another boost.
Yeah. Every time I want to come to here, spend some time, maybe a little bit studying.
Yes.
But no time.
You were going to come and meet children to practice English, but then you learned English without our help. So we hope we can help a little bit with some of the science and just in everything, just to be in your presence and to share. And it's just a wonderful sharing and community. And everybody who's here, it's just so thrilling and heartwarming that everyone has taken the time to avail of this precious gift of sharing together. And thank you, and thank David.
Yeah, definitely.
And thank all of His Holiness's staff and security, and all of these people who see that he gets around safely and securely for all of us. As my mom said, take care of yourself, you're important to us all. Right? Yeah. Okay, thank you. So.